everyone, welcome to techystack, and today our topic is Input Dialog Box. The input dialog activity is used to display a dialog box that prompts the user can enter a value, and that value is stored in a variable and we can use anywhere in the workflows. We'll explore how input dialog box will work. First of all, we need to take input dialog box activity, which is from the activity panel, and drag and drop. We can see the input dialog box, dialog title, input label, and the text. Here we have two types of input text. One is a multiple choice and one is the text box, and value entered. So whatever value is entered by the user, we can store here. First of all, I will give the dialog box. This is for web page. I will make it as a web page, and input dialog box, please enter your name, and I will make it as a text box. After this, I will storing in one variable. So which is name as user name, and on front I will put input because it is given by the user from the input side. So I will make it as user input username, and after that I want to see the output. For that I will take the message box as it is, and I'm passing the variable here input dialog input username. So now I'm running the important debug mode. So every time I'm used to run debug mode because if you have any errors, it will easy to find that. So it's ask the prompt, and you can see the web page. This is the dialog title and input label. Please enter your name. Enter the my name, and I can see the output here. This is a way we can give the input prompt to the box. And now we'll see multiple choice. In multi choice, we can assign more than one. So here I take, and here they saying that input option separated with commas. So label text must be quoted. Just open this. I am putting as tech is the one. After that stack, I'm taking one more laptop, UiPath, Vivo Studio. So now I taken multiple things here. Tech stack, laptop, UiPath Studio. Just click on this. Okay. Now I will run this. Here it will ask please web page, enter your name. If we can modify this as a not problem. As of now, I will take this UI path, and when I run this output, we can see the UI path. So this is a way we can view directly in a text box, or we can provide the multiple choice. So based on that user requirements, we can provide input dialog box. Adding one more point here, go to this properties, and we can see this input as is password. So if I check this check mark, so whatever the user entering here now, so we can hide that. I will show you. For this, I'm taking the just same activity, and this message box I will keep it on top. I will take this text box, and is password is I will keep it here. So running this bot, and it's a display. So you can see this soap password. As of now, whatever I entered here now user, so unable to see that. If you want to see that, so we can just show our password. I just entered the name, some random alphabets, and we can do same output here. So like that, we can give some hide buttons there, radio buttons. Then we can remove couple of things here. I will just make it as 3, and we can see the output in the radio box. I mean, user input in the radio box. Running this bot again, and we can see this, and I can select any one of this radio box. I can see the laptop. It's a user given by the input, and we can see the same output. Radio buttons.